Okay, sorry about that, guys. Alright, next video. So, this is part 2 of the mingling. So, next is going to be Jesse. My brother's not in this one. It's because of technical reasons. So, let's get to work. Here we go. Okay, Jesse, are you ready to get your head pounded in? Oh. Ah! 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 Go, Logan! Ah! 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 Okay, look at that! Look at that! She's dead! Logan, go! I said go! Okay, let's see the results so far. Okay, so her arm is literally dangling out of its socket. That's scary. And her legs, why are they still working? What is wrong with this? It's not dying. Her face, let me see. Okay, that's just creepy. Ah! And then, her shirt tore. Ew, that's disgusting. And then, yeah, I'm gonna break the rest of her. Oh, wait. Her legs just popped out of their sockets. Oh my God! Look at that! Logan, seriously, I said go. So now I'm going to finish her off with one more pound. Here we go. 1, 2. Okay, let's see the last result. Okay, so her legs, they're mangled. Her other arm.
Do this one.
Why is it still working? Logan, that's next video. And then, yeah, she's dead. Last thing. Okay, thanks, YouTubers. Stay next for part 3.